We're gonna be doing an AC pressure control valve. This one just so happens to be an MT3449. This is 2010 SRX Cadillac, but any of your newer vehicles, if your AC, we don't know how the traditional clutch like they used to. He's got AC pressure control valves, which go right here. We're gonna have a little clip. We're gonna take off here in just a second. I'll show you. We're gonna put this valve in. This is what controls the pressure. So if you're getting just the stagnant readings on your AC gauges, and you got plenty of Freon, and this is not making any noise, of course, then you want to try this valve. Let's change it. There you go. All right, sometimes you have to wiggle it. Might have to use a screwdriver. Might have to use a little pair of pliers. Use whatever you got. Go slow with it. Let's get a pair of pliers on there and see if that'll help. Okay, just get you a screwdriver, kind of barely go up with it a little bit, and once it pops, then you know it's coming out. All right, that's your valve here. Match it up with your new one. Make sure you put your seat clip back in there good. That's all the way flush on the bottom. You want it underneath that bottom lip. All right. Okay, and your readings should start reading normal again. I got my pen down here reading the low side on this. Yeah, now getting there. The fans are coming on. AC working good. Nice and cold. So if you got that problem, don't go just run out and replacing the whole compressor. I just need that valve more than likely. 99% of the time, if nothing's wrong, if it doesn't make any noise with the front of it, that's what you need. But thanks for watching.